Good day everyone, I am Cherry Prieto and my discussion is all about mescaline, psilocybin, and ketamine. First is mescaline. It is the primary ingredients of peyote cactus in plants known as Lophophora williamsi in US and Mexico, also known as buttons, cactus, and mesk. So makita this peyote is makita ni siya sa Chihuahuan desert, and this drug is consumed peyote, but there is an exemptions from some religious ceremonies sa US and Indians. So yun sa mga rituals, then used by when it consumes in 350 and 500 milligram, it will produce delusions and hallucinations for 5 to 12 hours. So how does it work? So can be ingested or taken orally, chewed or placed in capsules, and even brewed in tea. So gina-ingested ni siya or taken orally, then or pwede po na siya ng capsules, then pwede po na siya ihalo sa mga tea or other coffees. Then ang initial effects niya is 60 minutes og ang iyang effects can last is 12 hours. Then ang peyote is it contains mescaline. Then ang immediate effects ani is induces sense of well-being, visions in color, hallucinations or trance-like. So kani siya is morning mga immediate effects niya, like kana ang makakita na kag unsa nga mga butang, tas imong pananaw kay blur na, then you can hear colors or taste sounds, then everything you have is bizarre or muffled. Then ang long term ana niya is psychological dependence. Just kani siya is mag-rely na lang imuhang psychological o panghuna-huna kung dili ka take ani nga drugs. The second one is psilocybin. Psilocybin came from Mexico, known as magic mushroom that is used in Indian rites for centuries. So usually should lang na siya og ginainom, and with consume po na siya og 4 to 8 milligrams, and it will last for 4 to 6 hours. Same ra ni siya immediate and long-term effects sa mescaline, nang induces sense of well-being, visions in color, hallucinations or trance-like, like irritability kasi mong palibot, lahi-lahi na imong hallucinations, makakita na kag imaginary image o makadungog na kag dili ingon ato. And lastly is ketamine. Its chemical name in ketamine hydrochloride. Its common name or special K or K, used as human anesthetics. It is used as general anesthetic for children, people, or poor health and veterinary medicine. It is a liquid both in pharmacy that is cooked into a powder or snorting. Lower dosage will cause mild, creamy feelings of numbness and extremities. High dosage will produce hallucinogenic effects and may cause the user's ever far from his body. The experience will be called entering K-hole. If its snorted effects comes to 5 to 10 minutes, if injected extramuscular effects comes in 4 minutes, it can never be injected to the vein. If ingested, can be filled within 10 to 20 minutes. So this ketamine is mo nga tambal nga maka effects sa ato ang lawas ug sa atong panghunahuna, og ang iyang pangalan is, ang chemical name niya is ketamine hydrochloride. Then ang iyang normal name niya is special K or K. Unya ginagamit ni siya sa mga pampamanhid or anesthetic sa mga tao, labaw na sa mga bata nga mga weak og mga bad weak body. Then ginagamit po na siya sa mga veterinaryo na medisina. Then ang mga way nga paggamit ani is liquid ni siya nga ginapalit sa mga butika, then ginapakuluan o upang para mahimo siyang pulbos or sinusort nya. Pwede po ni siya maka-apekto sa dosage. Gamay nga dosage ani is magdudulot ng maka-feel ka o kanang mura ka gikulong nga na. Tapos ang yang high dosage niya is maapektuhan ang hallucinogen o maka-feel kag murag wala na kasi mohang gibati nga ginatawag nga K-hole. So ang K-hole, it means the is if you take too much, you're basically starting to drift off into the anesthetic effects of ketamine, but you haven't quite hit that level and you're still awake. You're awake, you're dissociated, and you just feel like you can't move. Dili ka lihok, and you're like just down in a hole, and the term is K-hole. That is K-hole. Then ang katagalon ani nga epekto, if imo lang siyang gisinward, is maka-feel ka ma-feel nimo sa 5 to 10 minutes. Then kung giturok po ni sa muhang lawas pero dili dapat sa ugat, kay makadkuha na siya, bawal na siya, then it will 4 minutes lang siya. Tapos kung imo po siyang imnon, ang effects niya ani is 10 to 20 minutes. Naapa day last. Ang last is morning glory keepers or seeds, commonly abused because of its hallucinogenic effects that cause behavioral changes, having an active principal components of the seeds closely related with the LSD. So kani siya, pag mogamit daw ka, ginagamit pud ni siya tungod sa hallucinogenic effects ani. Then naapo ni siya mga active nga mga ingredients like LSD nga magkakos og pagbag-o sa muhang batasan. Then this all substance is kinahanglan nato ni mahibal-an kung unsa ni siya ka delikado o kung unsa ni siya ka epekto sa tuang lawas. Then kinahanglan gyud nga naagay gabay sa doctors. And yun lang po. Thank you.